Hi, I'm Dr. Usha BR. I'm a gynae laparoscopic surgeon working at Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Koramangala, Bangalore. Today I'll be talking to you about uterine prolapse. Uterine prolapse is seen at two different ages. One wherein we see in young ladies when it is called nulliparous prolapse, and the other when it is seen in aged postmenopausal ladies. Now in nulliparous prolapse, it is usually an inherent collagen defect which results in uterine descent. What is seen in postmenopausal age is usually because of estrogen deficiency. Now because of estrogen deficiency, the pelvic floor tissues relax and that causes the uterus, along with that the adjacent structures like bladder and the bowel, to descend into the vagina. And this will cause problems to the lady, like she can present with mass per vagina. She feels that there is a lump which is protruding, or she can have symptoms associated with bladder like frequent urination, incomplete emptying of bladder, or dysuria, what we call as burning sensation while passing urine. And she could also have symptoms with bowel like incomplete defecation, incomplete passing of stools. She feels that something is retained behind even after defecation. So with these symptoms, we examine the lady and we ascertain what is the degree of descent, what is the degree of prolapse. Accordingly, we suggest management. Now if the degree of descent is very less, and the symptoms are less, we usually start with pelvic floor exercises. Pelvic floor exercises are known to correct or improve the tone in the muscles, most importantly in younger ladies, and this will suffice for most of them. However, in postmenopausal ladies where the degree of descent is more, then they may require a surgical repair. Now again, surgical repair will mean different modalities. Now we could do a vaginal pelvic floor repair, which is again a scarless surgery, or sometimes it may warrant removal of the uterus along with pelvic floor repair. What are we doing in pelvic floor repair? We are basically trying to tighten the pelvic floor fascia, which in turn will be supporting the bladder and the bowel and will be repositioning it. So this is done through the vaginal route. So usually the patient will not have any scars. She will be sent back home in a day or two. In severe degree of descent, sometimes the correction could also be done laparoscopically, what we call as sling surgeries, wherein artificially a mesh could be used to actually lift up the pelvic floor tissues and give better support. So that is done through laparoscopy, that is through small 5 mm to 10 mm incisions. For any further queries about uterine prolapse, you can always contact us at Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Koramangala, Bangalore. Thank you.